Hello, everyone. This is episode 7 of Building My Health. So, to begin with, I created this. So, sets should show different values depending on the type of exercise. So, let's start the test 1 workout. Here, you can see that 90-degree push up, I have it as a body weight exercise, which means that it will have the body weight and the reps. Now, for advanced tuck front lever, it would be a body weight duration in which it has the time value instead of the reps. It will also be, let's do weights and reps. See if I can add it. Here's the Arnold press. Okay, yeah, never mind. But weights and reps, it will have weight and reps. So that's pretty much that. And then add exercise type, distance. Yeah, so I added another exercise type, which is distance and weighted distance. For this is for cardio. This is for like farmer's walk and stuff. Now, I had like a change of mind in which I removed all exercise types and replaced it with properties. So let's discard that for now. So let's go to exercise. Here I have properties now. So for this exercise, it has the property of body weight and reps. For this exercise, it has the property of body weight and duration. Each one of these is a single property instead of the old exercise type where I have a set of body weight underscore reps or body weight underscore duration. With properties, users are able to mix and match different properties however they want it. Like, let's see if I go all the way down, you can have 3 instead. So like there is a lot more combinations what you can do. Now, next we have remove all exercise. Oh, no, I just did that. So remove the default header for the create exercise screen. That is pretty easy. So originally it had like a default header above this already, like custom header. So since there's 2, I just removed the default one and then add a property section to the, yeah. So that's is what I'm talking about. So here is what I'm talking about. So you can mix and match. You can do all 5 view once. Not sure if you would do that, but you know, you can just pick whichever properties for the exercise that you'll be creating. And then change the category text to primary muscle group. So in the new exercise screen, originally this was called category, is very ambiguous, so I changed it to primary muscle group. So with this, you can select the primary muscle group, and I also added the secondary muscle group, which is select multiple. And then yeah, that's easy. Clicking a specific exercise in the exercise list pops up, and exercise details. Yeah, so let's say I click this one, it pops up this exercise details stuff screen. So the exercise details screen have a section to show the past workouts details on this exercise. So let's see, what have I done? Have I done anything here? Yes, I did. So let's say for this one, 90-degree push-up. So if I was to go back to exercise, I click on 90-degree push-up. It shows that I have the reps that I did 12 on December 21st. I plan to add more metrics in the future. Now, let's see. The routine always loops when today's workout is completed. So that means that for the active routine, if I was to finish test 1, let's say that's today, right? I will just skip it for now. It would show up on the next schedule date. So let's say I do next week. Technically, like this will show up right here, like a circular wheel. Once this exercise is done, it goes all the way to the end. And yeah, Let's go back to next week. That's something I'll talk about later. So give each workout in the active routine table a corresponding date. Yeah, so originally, let's get rid of that. So originally, only the today's workout is actually like dated, but now we have the next one and the next one and the next one. And then each workout in the active routine section is interactable. Yeah, so you can click on this to show the workout itself. Now, you create a start button beside in the, yeah, let's create the routine. So here I can add days. Let's do 1, add days, 2, add days, 3, and then let's do a rest day in between. All right, save that. Oh, let's do routine 1. Save that. Okay, now set that as active. Here you see that you have test 1, test 2, test 3. Now you notice that before I added a rest day, which is actually in December 24th, but I hit the rest day so that it actually looks because the rest day itself is kind of useless, so it reduces the visual clutter. Now with the same example, let's say I want to jump to test 3. So I'm going to jump here and it will show test 3 as today. And then you can start the workout with the right exercise as well. So I'll discard that. Let's see. Next is, yeah, as I said, I hit the rest day in the active routine session to reduce visual clutter. Now, next we have allow the user to pick whether they want to view the next 3 scheduled workouts next 7 or the next week. So here is this button where if you want to see the next 3 workouts, click on this, shows the next 3 workouts, click on this, shows the next 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then if you want to just show the next week, 29, next week, 27, because today is the 21st. And finally, we have create an exercise button on the same row of the start, empty, and history button, which is here. Now, clicking this just opens up the list of exercises, which is the same thing as accessing it here. But yeah, that's all I have for this episode. I'll see you guys on the next one.